Let's make a grilled venison burrito. Start with a good chunk of meat from the hind quarter, then season it like crazy with some salt and black pepper. Get it over top of those wood-fired coals, and let's make some other fillings. We're doing guacamole, so get 2 ripe avocados into a bowl. Then add some chopped tomatoes, fine diced red onion, and a handful of chopped cilantro. Season with some salt and pepper, and you can't make guacamole without lime, so squeeze a lime in there. Mash it all up into a paste, and you've got yourself some guacamole. Set that aside. Now, tend to that meat, and let's make a Chipotle Crema. I personally like yogurt for this. Once that beautiful venison meat has hit an internal temperature of 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and slice it thin. Grab whatever cheese you like, chunks or shredded, and add it to a tortilla. Go in with some seasoned rice, and that guacamole we just made, it's time to get generous. On top of that, lay those thin slices of rare venison, and tuck it in with some spoonfuls of that chipotle cream. Now the tricky part is fitting everything in the tortilla. Start by folding in the ends and wrap it up. Now to seal and toast the burrito, you can use a warm cast iron pan, or really any pan will do. Make sure it gets a little love on all 4 sides, and once it's toasted, it's ready to eat. Now take a minute to admire your handiwork, and before you dig in, make sure you use every last ounce of that guacamole and chipotle cream and throw it all on top.